Hello, everybody. We're back with some dollar cash explosions. We got numbers 36 through 27 for this video, but we got 26 through, make sure, yep, that's the last ticket, 11 for this session. I turned in a bunch of winners. And I said, just give me some dollar cash explosions. So let's see if we can make a profit. We got a 50, a 5, an entry, a 5, a 5, $5 winner right off the bat. An entry, 5, an entry. Can we go back to back? 5, 20, probably a 20, but it could be an entry. Nope, it's that 20. An entry, a 2, a 2, 5, a 5, and an entry. Number 33, 20, an entry, a 2, a 2, an entry. I'm going to say that's a 20. Oh, looky there, a 20. Tell you guys all the time, Ohio Lottery uses patterns. Tickets are usually predictable. I mean, they catch you off guard every once in a while, but for the most part, these tickets are pretty predictable. 2, 2, and 2. So that, my friends, is a $2 winner. We got a 50, a 20, a 50, a 1, a 20, and a 1. Huh, imagine that. It's a 1. $500, 10, 10, 5, 2, and 20. $5, 50, 500, 500. Come on, give me a 500. 1 and a 5. I don't know what I'd do if I actually hit that 500 on this ticket. As far as I know, there's still a good amount of them out there. I actually did put a lot of $500 winners in these tickets. 2, 1, entry, 1, 2. We should either get a 1 or a 2 here. It might be an entry though. Nope. 1. But for these videos, we're right in the range. I usually find a nice win on these tickets. Number 27 is our last ticket. Probably, as Surf would call it, a bubble gooder. Entry 5, 20, but 20. Ooh, $20 would be nice. Nope, 500 and $5. So it is the famous Ohio Lottery BFL Bubble Gutter Lose Ola ticket. But we didn't do half bad. We got $1 there, $2 there, right across the top, and $5, which brings us to $8 for a $10 session. Can't complain about that, right?